What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We are here with Caleb, Foxcast Media. If you don't follow him, where you at? Go follow him. Anyway, guys, we are headed to a shop, and we're going to take you along, so we'll see you there. Alright guys, we're at a shop right next door, but we're waiting on the gentleman to get there with the shop. But there's a Chevy dealership right next door to it, and I came over to check out a Corvette. I like this thing. It's Grand Sport. It's a manual. They don't have any Z06s out here for me to look at, but it is a manual. It's a Grand Sport. I love the color. And here's another Grand Sport, and it is manual also. This dealership wins. Most time it'd be automatics. How much is it?
82 grand.
$82,000.
Not even a ZR1.
$82,000 for a Grand Sport, and people think the GT500 is too high.
Exactly.
Come on, guys. Okay, we got a Camaro. I think it's just a V6, if I'm not mistaken. Let me make sure before I put my foot in my mouth. No, it's an SS.
Yeah, that's an SS.
It's an SS. I seen the manual and I had to step back for a second. I was like, no, it's probably an SS. It's a new SS. I cannot grow fond of that front end. Although seeing, this is the first one I actually seen in person, guys. It's not horrible. It's not as bad as it looks in the picture.
Okay, now there's a Z06.
Oh, we got a Z06. All right, let's go look at it. There we go. Thank you, Caleb.
See, at least something with a little bit of sack, right?
Yeah. Here we go, guys. Here's a Z06. It's a 15 Z06. Okay, I like the color. I like yellow.
Sure.
I like the flashy color too. It's an auto. Guys, I know that autos are potentially faster. You notice I say potentially. But anyway, it all depends on the driver of the manual. But, guys, something about a manual that I love. But I do like this car. 15, I wonder how much they want for it.
These cars just don't do anything for them.
Dude, I love them.
I mean,
I love them.
I'm not saying it's not cool. I just don't. I don't know.
All right, guys, that's enough of that. Let's get to the Fords. All right, guys, so we are at Redline Motorsports in Bloomington. So come check them out, guys. But we're going to show you a few of the cars. We're going to start right here first. All right, guys, this is sitting in a trailer outside of the shop. This is an LS swap 68.
68, 67, something like that.
It is a 67. 67 because it's got the front quarter glasses. Man, this thing is sharp. You know the horsepower it's got on it?
I don't know yet.
You don't know?
It's a fresh build.
A big old turbo sitting right there. Man, this thing is sweet. So what you got in the shop in there?
Nova with an LS.
Any Fords?
Eleanor.
Ah, let's go check it out. All right, guys, just got a Mustang right there. What's in this?
That's an 8.2 deck with a direct drive 410.
Ah,
Oh, okay. That's a car you were talking about yesterday.
sweet.
Before I started. You actually tighten all this? You did.
So he says Vortec?
V30 1.4.
Okay. It's actually crank driven. There she is right there. Boy. Oh, man. How close is this to being done? Or
I should have it running next week. I just got
Next week?
wiring it.
well, this thing is sharp.
77 Omega, I'm doing an LS swap in.
Man.
With a T56.
Okay. And then we got a Nova right here.
Yeah, I'm doing a plate nitrous kit on it now. We put Holly on it about a year ago.
Okay. And these are some sharp cars. Oh, man, I love it. Love Novas, love Camaros. But guys, the reason we were here yesterday, he was like, hey, I got a car at the shop. You need to come check it out. And it's one of my dream cars. I'm not going to lie. It is.
It's right here. This big
It's
turbo
the,
Wengerd.
no, here we go right here.
There she is. Yep. There's Eleanor.
Guys, look at this thing. Oh, just look at it. I mean, if you don't love this car and you love Mustangs, something's wrong with you. See, Caleb's over there drilling over the Fox. I love Foxes, but this. So it 420, it does have a 427?
427 with a F1R.
Okay. With F, oh my Lord. Guys, just look at it. Alright guys, so here's the interior. Got my flashlight so you can actually see what's going on. Cage, fire extinguisher, which is a must. Look at this, guys. Even has the Go Baby Go. Oh. Oh. Man. It's got a little system in it too. Look at, guys, just look at it. This is, when everybody asks the one car that I want the most, this is it right here. I mean, you got the F1 Pro Charger, you've got the 427 push rod. I mean, this thing is manual transmission. I mean, there's nothing you can't like about this car. Caleb, I'll trade you. Look, I've got a 2012 GT500. You know, I'll trade straight up.
I don't know if you'd go for it.
No, I wouldn't go for it either. But you can't blame a man for trying.
So yeah, we're switching this one over to all Holly.
Switching all over all Holly. Okay. Yep. I see how the FI Tech.
Yeah.
So that's what it's in here for. So you're gonna switch everything over to Holly.
Yep.
And
tune it and should make some pretty good power.
Oh my Lord! Can it start and run?
No.
No.
That's why.
Okay.
The Phytech. Yeah.
Yeah. I installed a Phytech on a Chevrolet, and I called them, got on YouTube and searched a couple of videos showing you how to do it. And I actually got the thing running, but it was a pain.
Yeah. See, we're actually the biggest Holly dealer next to Summit and Jay's.
Okay.
So we are really big fans of theirs. We use it pretty much everything. Yeah.
Don't blame me. So Holly's doing in with NMRA this year.
Yep, we'll be there with our dyno.
So you're going to be here. Redline Motorsports will be there with their mobile dyno. So if you come out to NMRA Bowling Green, I don't know why I can't think that's my territory. But if you come out there, they'll have their dyno there. So stop by, check it out. Are you going to have any shop cars there?
Should have the X car, maybe the Lightning, possibly Street Beast, Mike Red Mustang. Where's the Lightning? It's at his house.
Yeah. They've got several cars. Yeah. They've got several cars that are not here, guys. But this is just a little example of what they do. They do great work. And this thing is by far my favorite. I just can't stop staring at it. One day. One day.
It's whatever company bought.
Look at this thing.
Yeah.
Oh, my Lord.
Yeah, that's another customer.
Y'all hiring, I'll move up here. Heck with the winners. I don't care.
This thing is going to...
Man, yeah. This one. I know, guys. You're probably going to get tired of me pointing at it, but man, just,
Nothing ever comes to me, yeah, in a steady stream, but you gotta keep on going, you gotta live that dream.
All right, so you got a pretty cool car yourself.
Oh, little street car.
Little street car. Guys, if you caught the video we did at the Scram Speed at the dyno shop, this was there. Showed a little clip of it in there, but we're going to go over the car right now. This is his car. And everybody calls you Cowboy, right?
Yep.
Yeah,
much.
he was at Mustang Week last. Called him there, and then you're going back this year, right?
Yep.
Y'all be there?
We'll go this year.
Now, last year this was NA, right?
Yep. 425 with a boss intake, and now we're at 650 horse at the wheels. And
So we got the Roush TVS. What size pulley is that?
oh, that's an 80. I got a 69mm pulley sitting inside.
Yeah.
Fuel system. So by Bowling Green, I'll probably have that on. I think I'm going to stay at 650 for Mustang Week, but
Gotcha,
should be
gotcha.
850, 900 for Bowling Green.
So any plans to build the engine?
Probably after Bowling Green if a rod leaves the block.
Man, this thing is sweet though. Manual?
Yep.
Manual. Gotta love.
Trans still.
Stock
Holding
trans,
on.
MT82 still holding on. You know, the MT82 gets a bad rep, but aside from the 18 when they went to aluminum shift forks, they've always treated me right.
It's holding together.
Yeah, this car is sharp. I love this American flag back here. And if you don't know who he is, most of the Mustang community know who you are. Most of us do.
Hard to find, I know.
Yeah, right. But there's his Instagram. Right there, guys. Man, I love this car. Well, man, I appreciate you showing us a shot.
Yeah, no problem.
Appreciate it.
Anytime.
I've got to get back home. I got a 6-hour drive headed back to Tennessee today, so I'm going to end this video here. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.